I'm the full-stack IT manager for Connected Robotics Incorporated, based out of Tokyo, and we're dealing with restaurant and food services. So originally from England, moved over to Japan 9 years ago. When I first joined the company, everyone was basically speaking their native language, though the company does have a long-term goal to try and move communication to English. It's not something that we're going to be able to solve overnight. We did try other solutions to see if we could help translate the communication first, but they just weren't as efficient. The company itself is about 40-50 members at the moment, some team members sharing different roles. A lot of the engineers, where they can, have been trying to use English, or also in Japanese as well. If there was anyone that couldn't understand, they'd have to sort of reach out to someone else and ask them to explain. Obviously, that would cause them to have to take a break in their work while they did translations, and it wasn't as an efficient system. Once I found Kiara and tried installing it, the accuracy of the translations went up. We found the communication became a lot more natural between engineers. Everyone became more involved in talking to each other. Someone could write in English clearly, and then a Japanese member could easily pick up on the translation, and vice versa. A Japanese member could write their thoughts or their issues, and the English member could then pick up, and the flow was just much improved. Compared to before, I'd say there's a lot more communication going through the messaging system now. I think people are more open to the communication. They're less likely to hold back now because they know there's a way that they can get their message across. Because everyone's able to now communicate better with each other, they can understand the direction that everyone's trying to go. It's easier to convey the feelings to everyone as well when there's issues that come up. Easier to convey which direction we want to go, which steps we need to take, and because of that, it's just a lot less friction between the teams. I think anyone that believes that they may have some kind of blocker on language to being able to continue to the work smoothly, anyone who wants to improve their efficiency and they have multilingual staff, I mean, it's not just limited to Japanese, any languages where there's barriers involved. In order to break down those walls, something like Kiara is really suitable for that situation. It's pretty much any of the industries should be able to use it. Factory side, directly in restaurants, anywhere where there's a direct need to communicate via a messaging system, be it remote workers, on-site workers, it really is suitable to any kind of purpose.